Hi friends, how are you? Hope that you are well. In today's weather is not so good. It has been raining since in the morning and now it is better. So as you can see, and now I'm walking. So what I want to share with you is that if you want to be a fluent English speaker, then you can start from today. And you can question that what to start, how to read, and why I should speak English in today's world. So in today's world, you can communicate with any other person if you just know English, okay? Because it is an international language, and that's why it is important. And if you want to speak with anyone in the world in your mother tongue, then you can be able to understand, you can deliver your speech, but the another one will not understand your speech. So that's the problem, and that's why we have to understand English. And if you can just speak English, then you can get the international job also, okay? So these types of opportunities will be ready for you, and I know you want to do this, okay? That's why we can learn English. By learning English, we can enhance our capability, our skill, and our personality also. We know that English is not knowledge, but it is only a language. But this language is important for us because it is an international language. Okay. Now I want to share with you one thing, and that is what to read and how can we even start speaking English. So that's a question, and I wanna answer this question. That is, you can start from small changes, okay? So if you watch news with your mobile phone, okay, then on internet you can see whatever content you want to see, okay? So you have to watch in English, like any types of YouTube channel or any types of news media, okay? So you have to follow like Al Jazeera, BBC, and CNN, or any types of this YouTube channel or news feed you can follow. Then it will be helpful for you that every day you can learn something new from here, accent or pronunciation, sentence making, and whatever mechanism whatever mechanism here, you can just catch that, okay? So after understanding that or capturing those types of things in your memory, then you can be able to just deliver something, okay? Why it is important? And this is only my thought, and you can speak right now, and I hope that you will do this. But it is only my thought that if you can change yourself just 1% one day, then you can do something good after 99 days, okay? So 100% is starting from just 1%. So you have to grow yourself day by day. Overnight it is not possible at all. That's why I will suggest you that from my experiences, English language or spoken English journey, I want to say you just you can start from today with small books or small content or whatever things, okay, you love. You can start from today, okay, but you have to engage yourself just in English. So this is a thing that is important for everybody's life. So you have to understand the mechanism of English. You have to understand the overall situation, whatever you will be facing, and then you have to answer, okay, so you have to react or respond. That's why it is important. And friends, I know that everyone can do that. If anyone can do that, if I can do that, why can't you do? So this is a very good question, but as the answer, that is, you can do it if you can practice daily spoken English. So speaking English is a journey, and in this journey you have to go through some obstacles. Whatever you will face, don't stop yourself. You should not stop yourself at any level, at any cost. You have to go on your study, your journey, and your struggle also, okay. So in this modern era, we should do something better, and in today's world we can use enough or use tools to improve our spoken English, okay. So any types of AI available for you right now, so you can use like ChatGPT, Gemini, or any types of AI tools you can use, okay. So this is amazing for us, and we can change our spoken English dramatically by using these types of tools also. And if you want to know that how can you use this, then make a comment. I will answer those types of questions, okay. So I will try, and try to do your best, okay. So do your best to learn English and earn the fluency of English. So this is a very good thing, and this is an easy thing for anyone, okay. English is not so difficult language. It is easy language, and you can understand it, okay. So if you can just catch the mechanism of English, then it will be so easy for you, okay. So without hesitating, you can start from today. And the question is where to start. I will recommend to you that you can start with a simple newspaper, okay. So you can read newspaper. You have that ingredients, okay. So how can you start? If you have hard paper, then okay. If you do not have, then soft copy or website or apps are available for you, then you can install or sign in or anything else. So you can read from today just newspaper, okay, the hot topic, and whatever topic you love, you can start from that section, okay, like entertainment, like playing football, or like cricket, or anything else, okay. So whatever section you love, you can start from today, okay. So you can read something. By reading something, you can get some vocabularies. Then you can write down those types of things or vocabularies and synonym, antonym. You can find out if you want, and then you can grow your overall capability, vocabulary capability, and then you can get the sentence structure of English, and that is I want to go to market. These types of things, okay. I want playing game or football. So these types of things, then you can understand the subject, verb, agreement, and whatever things related to English, okay. So parts of speech and the basic grammar, so important for everybody's life, whoever are trying to speak English. So this is an important thing also, and we can practice it daily. Okay, so consistency matters in this criteria, and you can start from today and be a consistent speaker or consistent learner. Okay, so if you want to be a speaker, then first of all you have to be a very good listener. Okay, so to be a speaker, be first a learner and listener. So listen something. By listening something, you can enhance your listening capability. Overall it will be helpful for you, and I know that if you want to listen something, that TED Talks or things like that important for you, then you can listen every day. Okay, so English content, I have already told you that you have to listen, then your listening capability will be developed day by day. And one day it is not possible, overnight it is not possible. Day by day you can increase your overall capability, then you can be a very good speaker or fluent speaker in English. So start from today, learn something new in English, and you can practice today. And in today's world you can be a very good speaker, and if you can deliver your thoughts, your emotions, your whatever things related to you or facing you right now, so then you can be a very good speaker. So this is the thing what is important for us who are trying to speak English right now, and I hope that this content will be so helpful for you because you are beginners. Okay, so this video is for beginners, not for an intermediate level, and I'm also a learner, as you can see. So without any hesitation, you can start from today. So the first thing is you have to read newspaper or English content, okay, or books also, whatever you love, you have to read. By reading you can gather some vocabularies, sentence structures, and the mechanism of English you can understand. After doing that, you can listen something. By listening, your listening capability will be developed, and then you can write something. Okay, if you can write something, then your thinking capability will be developed dramatically. Okay, that's why it is important you have to write down whatever you have done a day, then you can just write down. Okay, whatever is happened to you, then you can write down. Okay, by doing this, your thinking capability will be improved day by day, and then you can deliver your thinking anything. Okay, so you can deliver that, and then if you can deliver something, then you can make a speech, and then you can be a speaker. So this is the thing what is important for you, and then you have to practice. Okay, speaking in front of camera, in front of mirror, or with anyone who is an expert in English. So it is important. If you do not have any option, then talk with yourself. It is important. Okay, talk with yourself, then it is so good for you. Okay, so start from today, speak, and you will face some obstacles first time, but it is not the thing. The thing is you are doing your best, and do your best for speaking English, and practice every day. Be a consistent speaker in English. So these are the basic things whatever I have followed in my English journey, and today, as you can see, I can just speak English. So this is the fluency whatever I have got, and now I'm trying to do my best also. So this is the thing, and we can do our best from today. Today is high time. It is high time to do something better in our life and practice. So practice makes a man perfect. So you can be a good speaker by practicing. Thank you so much.